что же, всем привет, дорогие друзья, с вами DenTubePlay. И недавно, 5 августа, я ездил в Волгоград и сделал на него влог, экскурсию, называйте как хотите. Ну, видео получилось вроде бы нормальным, ничем не отличается от других. И почему я решил сделать это видео в честь 100 подписчиков на моем канале? Это уже близко. Осталось вот недавно больше 15 подписчиков, и на моем канале стукнет 100 подписчиков. Ну, приятного просмотра, я вас не буду затягивать.
Make it rain on 'em. Now make it rain on 'em. Now make it rain. Now make it rain on 'em. Now make it rain on 'em. Now make it rain on 'em. Now make it rain. Make it rain on 'em. Now make it rain.
one family in a sweet harmony. Someday we'll all be free.
Ain't no telling what I'm finna beyond. Hey, hey, I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine. Ice on my neck cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga to get free. I just hit Rodeo and I spent like 10 G's. I just did a show and spent the check on my mama. When I go and vacay, I might run out the Bahamas. And I keep like 10 phones, damn I'm really never home. All these niggas clones tryna copy what I'm on. Nigga get your own, tryna pick a nigga bone. Worked the brother Skip, boy I had a good day. Metro PCS, trapping ball, making plays. 50 shades of grey, beat that pussy like Ho Hogan. I know you know my slogan, if it ain't about guap, I'm gone. Niggas hating cause I'm chosen from the concrete I had rolled. Shorty staring at my necklace cause my diamonds really froze. Put that dick up in her pussy, bet she feel it in her toes. I'm a real young nigga from the 6 throwing balls. I'm a real young nigga from the 6 throwing balls. Real young nigga from the 6 throwing balls.
In the middle of the party, bitch, get off me. Goddamn. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli. Goddamn. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me. Goddamn. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli. Goddamn. Whispered in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Goddamn. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Goddamn. Say that I can hit that shit so greasily. Goddamn. I'm a dirty dog, I did it sleazily. Ain't no telling what I'm finna beyond. Hey, hey, I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey, ain't no telling what I'm finna, hey, beyond. Hey, hey, said I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey. I got companies and pesos, I got people on my payroll. She don't do it unless I say so. I don't smoke if it ain't fuego. I should sauce them up like Prego fettuccine with Alfredo. All I wanted was the fame in every game they made on Sega. I was 5 or 6 years old when I had told myself, okay, you're special, but I treat you like my equal, never lesser. I was 26 years old when we had dropped this one amazing record. Had the world stepping, that's what I call epic. Couple summers later, I got paper. I acquired taste for salmon on a bagel with the capers on a square plate. At the restaurant with the why you gotta stare face to know I either ball or I record over the stand bass. Rapper face, dread-headed, golden diamond teeth wearing. They just mad cause I got that cheese, bitch, I keep dairy. Turned up at the party, getting lit the yachty. with a Spanish Barbie, word to my mommy. In the middle of the party, bitch, get off me, off me. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli, my weed, my weed. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me, she fond of me. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli, that weed, that weed. Whispered in my ear, she tryna leave with me, she wanna fuck. Say that I can get that pussy easily, I'm gonna fuck. Say that I can hit that shit so greasily, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm a dirty dog, I did it sleazily, yeah.
понравилось это видео, ставьте лайки, подписывайтесь на мой канал, подписывайтесь на мою группу ВКонтакте, подписывайтесь на мой Инстаграм, на мою страницу ВКонтакте. Подробную ссылку вы можете найти в ссылке под видео. Ну а если вам понравилось это видео, я повторяюсь, ставьте лайк, подписывайтесь на мой канал. Всем пока. Пока-пока. Пока.